In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use a Canon Pixma TS705a printer. So I'll show you how to load the paper in the printer. I'll show you how to install the ink cartridges, how to connect to the Wi-Fi. So absolutely everything that you need to know. We're going to start off by removing all of the orange strips of plastic that you find around the printer. So pull out the paper tray here and remove this one. Then you need to remove this plastic sheet at the top. And then finally flip over this lid and remove this orange strip. And that should be it complete. So now take your power cable that came with the printer and plug it into the back right, just here. This is where the power port is. Here you'll find the button to turn the printer on, so just hold that for a second until it lights up green, and that's how you know the printer is turned on. The first thing that you'll see is this message on the display screen that says fully extend the paper tray, then press OK. So the paper tray is just at the very front in here, so just pull it out with your fingers like this and make sure it's fully extended. Now come and press the OK button on the printer. It will then ask you to select your language, so you can navigate the different languages by pressing these two left and right arrows. Once your language is selected, press OK. It's then going to ask you to install the ink, which I'll show you now. Come to the front of the printer and flip up this lid here, like this. It will stay up by itself, you don't need to hold it. And the ink trays will be presented in the middle. Here are our ink cartridges. So you'll see they have this plastic packaging around them. Go ahead and take this plastic packaging off completely. You'll then see this orange strip here with a message saying pull. So simply just take it off like this. And then there is this orange tab. Remove that also like this. Go ahead and repeat this process with the rest of the ink cartridges. When you're doing this, try not to touch the print head here with your finger or the print contacts. If you need to rest the cartridges down, rest them on their side like this. So now if you look closely, it tells us which ink cartridge goes where by the label above it. Then if you look at the ink cartridge, it tells you the color on the front. So here we can see the magenta goes in the far left slot. So you want this side with the clip to be facing towards you like this. So we're simply just going to glide it into the magenta slot, and then once it's like this, give it one firm press down so that the clip gets put into place. So when you're inserting them, you don't want to have them completely flat. You want to kind of angle it a bit downwards like this. So once again, we'll just give it one firm push so that it's secured into place, and you should hear it click. And once again, just repeat this process until all of the ink cartridges have been inserted. Then when you're finished, just close the lid over. So now if you come back to the printer, you'll see this message that the inks that have been inserted are genuine. Press OK. And then it's going to ask if you want to start the alignment to improve print quality. I recommend that you do this, so press OK on yes. And now it's just going to ask you to load 2 or more A4 sheets of paper into the printer cassette. If you come to the front of the printer, the paper is held in this compartment here. So with both hands, simply pull it out like this. And it is completely removable, so to make it easier, you can take it out. There are 2 blue tabs here. So just take off this bit of plastic at the bottom. And now with your thumb, you want to push this right blue tab all the way across. And with this bottom one, you want to press it all the way down so that it reaches the A4 marker, like this. So now all you need to do is align your A4 size paper and set it inside the tray like this. Now all you need to do is insert the paper tray back into the printer. Just make sure that you push it all the way in. And now come to the printer's display screen, and then after that OK. It will say align request accepted. Press OK. And then the printer will start to do the print alignment, so you need to give it a few minutes to complete it. To connect the printer to Wi-Fi, come over to your computer and press on the Windows button at the bottom. Then type Microsoft Store. Open it up, and then at the top you want to search for Canon Print. This is the official Canon app that we'll be using. So go ahead and download and open this app by Canon Inc. Once it loads, you'll see a few boxes. So this top box is the only one that you're required to check. These bottom two are optional. So we'll press OK. And then press OK once again. Then I'll just say learn more about Canon Print. Click on next. And now click set up now. It will then start to download some things. Just give it a second. And then you'll get this pop-up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? You need to click on yes. And then you'll receive another pop-up. Let Canon Print access your precise location. Once again, click yes. Then it will ask to check that your printer is turned on. Ours is, so we'll click next. And now it's going to begin to detect your printer. So if it does find your printer automatically, you'll get this pop-up here. Go ahead and just click OK. However, a lot of the time with this printer, it won't automatically find it. So you'll then get this pop-up. Start printer connection. Make sure that the Wi-Fi connection is selected, then press next. It will then ask, does your printer have a button like this? Ours does. So we will come and click yes here and then press next. So it's then going to ask you to press and hold that button on the printer for 3 seconds. Here you can find that button here in the top left. So just press it and hold it until you see that it says processing. It can take up to a few minutes, but it should find the printer. So once it does, just click OK. And then it's going to open up this web tab here with the Canon website. So what you need to do from here is select the product name. So you can either type it into the box, or you can scroll down and find the TS series. So click on it to expand it, and you'll find all the Canon TS printers. So we can scroll down, and here we can see the TS705a. Click on that, and then press start to the right of the printer, just here. And then you'll see this blue text. If you have already prepared your printer, go to connect, click on that. And then you'll see that you have a download button to download the drivers. So at the top, we'll just open up the file that we've just downloaded. And then click yes. So don't be pressing anything. It should automatically launch the Canon setup. So here we go. Click on start setup. And then in the bottom right, click next. After that, you need to agree to the software license agreement. And this is optional, so you don't have to have your information sent to Canon. So you can click do not agree and then click OK. However, if you wanted to agree to it, you could. So just give it a few seconds and it should automatically find your printer here. So it's going to ask, do you want to connect the printer using a wireless connection? Click on yes here at the bottom. And now we can see the connection completed message. So if you click next, it's just going to download all the drivers. After a few minutes, you'll be asked to print a test page. You don't have to do this. You can just click next if you wanted. And here we can see the setup is complete. So click next. And then you'll see this software installation list. If you click next once again, it will finish the setup. It will then tell you that you can also print from a smartphone, which I will show you how to do after we do the computer setup. You'll then be asked if you want to register the printer. However, you can just skip this step. There's no need to register. And here we have installation completed. So click on exit. And now we are ready to use the printer. Before you go to print something, just make sure that you have the paper tray fully extended. And now, if you want to print, just come into your computer's files and open up whatever it is that you want to print. So in the top left here, we can see we have the print button. Sometimes it might be in the top right. However, if you can't find it at all, there is a shortcut on the keyboard, which is the control button plus the letter P. So press them both at the same time, and that will open up your printer settings here. So under printer, you can see I have the printer selected already. However, if yours isn't, just click into this menu and select it manually. And then below that, you just have some different printer settings. So you can add some copies, you can change the paper type, whatever it is. So finally, just come to the bottom here and then click on the print button. And here we have our very first page using the Canon Pixma TS705a printer. I'll now show you how to connect and print using your smartphone if you want. On your phone, come to your App Store or Play Store, just depending on what phone you have, and search for Canon Print. We'll be using the same app to connect, so go ahead and open it up. You'll then see these boxes. Scroll down to the bottom and then check all and press OK. Here you can choose the app not to track you across other websites. And now you need to allow the Canon Print to find devices here. After that, come to the bottom and press add/switch and then press register printer. It's then going to begin to search for your printer. So here we can see it found it, the Canon TS700 series. Press on it. After around 30 seconds, it should automatically connect and you'll see this message, allow Canon Print to use your location. Here in the top right, you can X this pop-up. And then it's going to ask, do you want to save the network name and password? So I recommend keeping this box checked and then pressing OK, just so you don't have to reconnect. And here you can choose if you want to receive notifications or not. So now here we have the home screen of the app. So we have our different features here. Then we have our printer at the top. So to print, we have two different options. You can choose document print or photo print, just depending on whatever it is. So select it and then go into your phone's files and you just want to select whatever it is you want to print. So press on it twice to open it up like this. You'll see a preview of it. Come to the bottom and press next. It's then going to ask, do you need help on loading the paper? Just press no. And at the top you have this change settings button. So you can add some copies if you wanted to print more than one. You can change the paper type. So if you're using a different type of paper, you can select that. You can change if you want it to be printed in color or not. And then you can also change if you needed to do two-sided printing. So just press print in the top left. And before we confirm the print, just make sure that you pull out the paper tray like this. And now we can print. So it's just going to tell you to stay on this screen. If you come off, then printing might be cancelled. And now we have our printed document using the phone setup. So if you just come back to your phone, you'll see this printing complete message. Press OK, and then you can X out of that and it will bring you to the home screen. So if you found this video useful, please leave a like.